Hello Odooers, welcome to our Odoo technical session. Myself Dipanshu from Devintelle Consulting Service Private Limited. Today we will see how to create chatter in Odoo. So don't waste the time and let's start now. So chatter is a powerful communication and tracking tool embedded within the form views. It allows user to log notes, send messages, track changes and schedule activities all directly on a specific record. So let's understand how to add chatter in Odoo version 17. So first step is you have to inherit mail.thread and mail.activity.mixin model into your custom model. So first of all I will show you how the form view looks without the chatter. So this is the form view of mol.soap object and this is the soap menu. Here without chatter we can't track any field or we can't send any messages. So now we add chatter. So for this we go into the py file of mol.soap object. Then we inherit mail.thread and mail.activity.mixin model like this. And suppose we want to track any changes in any field, so we have to add tracking attribute like this. So suppose we want to track the change into the name field, so we add tracking is equal to true into the name field. Suppose we want to track the change of the floor field, so we add tracking is equal to true into the floor field. So now we add chatter into the XML file. So this is the XML file of mol.soap object and here you can see this is the form view of mol.soap object. So for enable the chatter you have to write class OI chatter after the sheet into the form view. So here I write class OI chatter and define in the message follower IDs, message IDs and activity IDs field and add widget for these fields. So by inheriting the two models we can enable the default field and we can add chatter like this. So now restart your server and upgrade the module and refresh this page. So here you can see the chatter is added into the form view. Now suppose we added the tracking is equal to true and we added the tracking is equal to true into the name and the floor field. Suppose we change the value Jai Bhavani mobile shop to only mobile shop. So here we can track the change of field value. Here you can see the first value is Jai Bhavani mobile shop and new value is mobile shop. And into the floor we add 1. So here you can see first value is 2 and then new value is 1. We can also send messages into the chatter like this. We click on the send message button, then add hi and send. We also attach the document, py file or anything into the attachment section. We can see followers of the mol.soap object. So Mitchell admin is a follower of this record. We can also add activities from this button like this. You can see different activities. So we create call activity, summaries, business proposal, due date is 23 May, assigning is a Mitchell admin. Now schedule. So here you can see the scheduled activity for Mitchell admin. You can also log notes from here. So this is how you can add chatter in Odoo version 17.
If you have any doubts, questions, so let's write into the comment section. We will try to solve your doubts. Thank you for watching our video. Let's meet into the next session.